Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am her, Joyce Michelle. Y'all, when I started recording this Get Ready With Me series, it was daylight. It is now 8:19. I'm sleepy, but I needed to come on here and tell y'all a couple of things, especially about this look. So y'all see, as y'all can see, I got my hair done with the red. Y'all, this, I don't know what I'm gonna call this. I don't know what I'm gonna call this, but let me tell y'all the products that I use. So, before I get started, everything will be linked down in the description box. Okay, so we started with the bronze rustic eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place. Y'all know I'm always and usually only using the Juvia's Place eyeshadows because they don't mess with my eyes. Ooh, I caught that right between the legs. Whoa. Next is Juvia's Place Blush Rouge Palette Volume Number 1. I used a lot of Juvia's Place this time. So I used Juvia's Place 2 lip liners, and which one is this? This is Red Velvet lip gloss. Let me see what else. I used Maybelline's City Sizzle, Kosas. Y'all know I will link everything that I use down in the description box. I also want to tell y'all something real quick. Your girl is now an official affiliate of Black Girl Vitamins. So if I'm going to put the link, my discount code for Black Girl Vitamins down in the description box as well. It will always be there now and forever. And I'm really excited, but I'm real sleepy, and I just want to close out this Get Ready With Me series. So y'all know jewelry comes from Shein. The actual shirt comes from Shein, and hopefully I will have edited the Shein haul before y'all see this video. I gotta get to work. Oh my goodness. Anywho, y'all stay blessed and stay safe. I hope y'all enjoy the way that I have broken down the series for Get Ready With Me's going forward. Stay blessed and stay safe, and I will catch y'all later.